Hello all, my name is Bhushan. I'm the site head for Solitaire business of Kalyani Nagar. Today I'll brief you on the construction update till April 22. (9,951 cubic meter of concrete was supposed to be consumed, out of which 9,506 cubic meter of concrete is already being used. And at the same time, 11,91,000 kg of steel was supposed to be consumed, out of which 11 lakh kg of steel is already been consumed till date. As you can see, we have completed cable tray fixing work till first floor. And as you can see, we have completed gypsum plaster work, wall conducting work, waterproofing and plumbing work till 6th floor. Planned activity for the month of May 22 are completion of RCC work on the 10th floor, internal plaster, waterproofing and gypsum work till 8th floor, plumbing and conducting work till 7th floor, cable tray fixing till 3rd floor, firefighting work till 2nd floor. That was the construction update for the month of April 22. We look forward to see you at Solitaire Business Hub Kalyani Nagar. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you very much.